Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, I am Sobia Ravel from Peshawar Model School, No.4 campus. This is my lecture number 4 for class 10th. So before starting, do subscribe my channel and let's begin. So students, we have already started our unit number 10, which is gaseous exchange, and this is my lecture number 4 for you people. So the topic for today is gaseous exchange in lungs. Now, how gaseous exchange inside lungs occur? You already know that alveoli is a structural and functional unit of the lungs. These alveoli are very thin walled, and these thin walled alveoli are composed of blood capillaries. Now, blood that is entering these capillaries is having low oxygen concentration. Oxygen from the blood, it diffuses inside the alveoli, and the carbon dioxide, it goes out of the alveoli. There is an exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen will enter the alveoli and carbon dioxide will leave the alveoli. So in this manner, the gases are exchanged in the lungs. Now, the next topic is biological consequences of smoking. Students, you know very well that there are a lot of consequences of smoking. There are two types of smokers. One is the active smoker and the other is the passive smoker. The person who smokes himself or herself, that is active smoker. And what is passive smoker? People sitting close to the active smoker, or who are constantly living in an environment which has the smoking constituents. They are the passive smokers. Now, what are the main elements that are present in smoke? First one is tobacco. Now, tobacco is one of the major constituent present in cigarettes. There are like 400 different chemicals found inside smoke, and the main constituent is tar. Now, what is tar? It is a chemical which has a lot of consequences on the people who smoke. What it does, it stains teeth, it produces phlegm, and it also stains the fingers, as it is actually black in color. Now, in tar in smoke, there are 69 carcinogens also present. What are carcinogens? Carcinogens are the cancer causing constituents or the cancer causing particulates. These all are present in smoke. Now, the next one is nicotine. Nicotine is also one of the major constituents of the smoking, and what it causes increase in blood pressure, or also causes the disease of high blood pressure, and also coronary diseases, plus stickiness of platelets. What are coronary diseases? Heart related problems. These are coronary diseases. People who smoke, they are at a risk of heart diseases. Next is carbon monoxide. Whenever a cigarette is lit, carbon monoxide is formed. Carbon monoxide is a chemical, and it is formed by the reaction of carbon with oxygen. And what happens? What are its consequences on the smoker? It slows the blood transportation, and it also increases the risk of various lung diseases. Next is benzene. Benzene is a hydrocarbon. It is an aromatic hydrocarbon, and it is a very powerful carcinogen as well. What are the consequences of benzene? It can cause leukemia. Now, what is leukemia? It is the cancer of blood cells. Apart from these chemicals, there are also 30 different metals present in cigarette. Now, all these metals are actually heavy metals. Arsenic, lead, these all are present in cigarette, which are harmful for the human health and causes a lot of diseases. So, with the biological consequences of smoking, we end up this lecture, and we'll continue with the next one.